Hi there, students. Fervid. Okay, full of passion, full of zeal. Marked by extreme enthusiasm in something. Let's see. Fervid, I think, is a posh version of fervent, or an even more formal example. Let's see, we have fervent, a fervent belief, something that is strongly and sincerely held. So he's a fervid supporter of the Labour Party. Okay, so fervid. He's a fervid orator. Yeah, he speaks fervidly, full of spirit and enthusiasm, characterized by intense emotion. Yeah, ardent, impassioned, torrid, blazing, hot-blooded. Okay, he fervidly believes that things should be done in this way. Perhaps fervid implies a little bit of criticism to an excessive degree. He's so fervid that he won't listen to reasonable argument. He's a fervent crusader for what is right. He's a fervid crusader. The fervid fans will believe that their hero can do no wrong. Yeah, okay, marked by extreme fervour. Yeah, and fervid or fervent both come from fervour. You could also use fervid in a literary sense, meaning burning or glowing or intensely hot. Yeah, I guess you might be able to say it was a fervidly hot day. I think it's possible. It's probably unusual though. Okay, so fervent, full of zeal, full of enthusiasm. He was so fervid in his defense of the lawyer was so fervid in his defense of the client that the judge told him to calm down. I think the opposite of fervid is frigid. Yeah, okay, so he fervidly supported his team. His fervidness was quite astounding. Okay, so fervid. Okay, so full of heat, full of intensity. He is so fervid about the things that he believes. So let's see, formality. This I'm going to give a 6.5 to 7. Fervid in I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, particularly something literary. I think informally, keen, intense, something like that. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, ferveo, meaning to boil. Yeah, so boiling, and fervent comes from the same root. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I'm so grateful to my fervid supporters. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fervid. Fervidly.